Crazy Metal is a leading stainless steel sculpture factory in China, with 20 years of dedication in the sculpture industry. We specialize in creating super large and gigantic outdoor sculptures, unlocking the potential of every material and transforming metal into vibrant art with our skilled craftsmanship. Our experienced manufacturing team aims for excellence in both the overall impact and the fine details of our sculptures. We are proficient in disassembling and assembling large sculptures, and our strong guidance on construction sites ensures that every piece is presented perfectly. Over the years, we have built lasting cooperative relationships with designers and sculpture associations in Europe, enabling our works to transcend national boundaries and connect with people across cultures. Our design studio, covering 3,000 square meters, is where creativity flourishes. Here, we engage in deep communication with our clients, continuously refining designs through white foam samples to achieve perfection. Our production base spans 12,000 square meters, equipped with advanced facilities and top-tier craftsmanship. Before our sculptures leave the factory, we conduct pre-assembly in the workshop to ensure every piece is in perfect condition. We uphold a no-compromise attitude towards quality, as we believe perfecting every piece is how we earn our clients' trust. This is Crazy Metal, a realm of passion and creativity. We create with heart, striving to offer you the most stunning artistic experience. Here, every piece has a story and every creation is a journey of the soul. We are excited to create more timeless masterpieces together.